close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Hi, I am Charu. You're watching Travel Green with Sharat. I am in beautiful Lindor, which is hardly 2 hours away from Dehradun and 5 kilometers away from famous hill station Missouri.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Well, I am in multi-award winning property, which was an old English cottage, later converted into this beautiful homestay that you see today by lovely couple Amarjeet and Sunita. Welcome to La Villa Bethany.
Hi, this is Amarjeet and Sunita Kudle. This is our home, La Villa Bethany, and we'd like to welcome you to La Villa Bethany, your home in the Himalayas.
Thank you. La Villa Bethany was conceived with this particular thought that the skill and the knowledge that we had as professional hoteliers, we wanted to impart it to children in rural India. So that was one of the driving forces of moving from the cities into the mountains to take on board children from extremely underprivileged backgrounds and train them and give them a vocation. And that's what we've been doing for the last 9 years.
I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
First of all, I'll show you this beautiful log cabin where I'm staying. It overlooks a lush deodar forest. It's a cozy room with rustic stone walls, nice feeling flooring and a bukhari for colder days. There's this gorgeous loft too with a cute twin bedding. The room has enough space for 4 people. I just love it. Feels like an escape into another world. Well, if you often travel with a big family or in a group, the next one will catch your attention. It's a combined 3-bedroom set with all the rooms having a separate washroom. Each room has its own character. And along with that, all the rooms open to a common lobby which serves as a perfect place to spend quality time and create memory. Along with this, you get an open balcony with view of Doon Valley and a conservatory to enjoy your evening tea. La Villa Bethany offers a perfect solitude for couples by maintaining 2 suites, with the balcony offering mesmerizing valley views. Well, what are you wondering? You too want to have a lush green garden like this? Or you don't have enough space in your city house? Then grow garden over your roof. Yes, you heard me right. You can grow garden over your roof. I am sitting on the roof of my room. Come, I'll show you the complete room. इस रूम की वाइब से पता चलता है कि कितने प्यार और फीलिंग्स के साथ इस रूम को डेकोरेट किया गया है. जैसे ये पेंटिंग अमरजीत ने खुद अपने हाथों से बनाकर डेकोरेट की. And what makes it more special are the minute details like this barrel under the basin and this beautiful glass painting both inspired from Hobbiton series.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So I am in Sisters Bazaar in Prakash store, and this place is famous for its peanut butter, jams, homemade chutneys and many more things. And we are going to try cinnamon roll right now. Hi, as recommended by Sunita, we have come to explore a local eating point in Lindor which is called Chaat Dukaan.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
So I see a lot of colorful things. What are you going to eat today?
So we are having Lebanese food, and this is basically the mezze. Half of Lebanese food is served cold, half of it is served hot, We've got some hummus out here, which is basically the chickpea paste. That's tabbouleh, which is a salad. This is labne, which is hung yogurt dip. And this is another salad called fatoush. Then we've got the couscous, some grilled chicken, and zucchini, and some fresh homemade pita bread.
You know, Gitika, we'll have to work out a lot tomorrow.
Don't worry, eat to your heart's content, but please keep space for dessert as well.
I'm excited already. Cozy rooms, delicious food and amazing hosts makes this homestay have a special place in your heart. Why are you staring at me? Having spent my day here in La Villa Betsy, now's the time to rate this place. For their awesome hospitality, we give them 5 stars. For the lovely location of Lendore, it's 3.5 stars. For the cozy rooms, it's 4 stars, and for value for money, it's again 3.5 stars. So overall travel green score of La Villa Bethany is 4 stars, and this place is a must.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase.
थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है, but if I have to summarize my day in one word, I'll call it fulfilling. La Villa Bethany is not just a place to stay, but to experience all the joys you have been missing out otherwise.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.